Hello everybody, this is 1936 Smith Corona Silent. Case is okay, it's got some normal wear and tear on the handle as well, but it's still strong. Latches work good. So you can see the outside is in excellent condition. Paint's pretty good. It's got a couple surface scratches and some nicks in the paint. All four corners have just a small chip out of every one, but the rest of it looks really good. The shiny bits are super shiny. The logos look pretty good. Platin's a little bit hard. The rest of the rubber looks really good. Keys are beautiful. Take it out of the case and do a print test on it. Took the body off and cleaned it out with mineral oil. It was pretty clean to begin with, but there were definitely some old eraser shavings and such in there, but it had never been heavily lubricated, which is good. Not too much dust to speak of. Margins work well. It's LC Smith & Corona Silent 1936, serial number 1S45283. Some sample typing I already did, but I'll do a little bit more for you. Spacing works good. Backspace works well. Margin release. Tabs. Everything works pretty good. This machine will be coming with a brand new red and black ribbon, re-spooled on the original spools. Thank you.
Hi, Dad. Daddy? Wait.